It is the ethical question, as the release does not, necessarily required by the client, or they don't know about it, but it will impact you. In fact, it impacted in a real life situation when I was doing the project like this. So let's see how many of you answered it ethically. Option number A says continue as planned because your bank did not ask for upgrade. This is not the wise thing to do. After some branches, you have to redo the whole work. So option number A is not right. Option number B, inform the bank about available updates and perform the change management. This is the perfect thing to do, and it will be long-term solution. So the right answer for this ethical question is option number B. Option number C says implement the change and adjust the schedule without without letting know the bank. You can't do this thing. This is not the right thing to do. You cannot absorb the whole cost. It's a costly affair. So option number C is not right. Option number D says implement the change on the remaining branches. What you're saying is that half of the branching will be running on the previous version and half of the branches will be running on the new version. That's not possible. So option number D is also wrong. Thank you. Those who have answered it correctly through ethical mindset, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.